Reliable protection. This dust cover set is the ideal way to protect your four-way flat vehicle and trailer connectors when not towing. The covers protect the wiring terminals against dirt, water, debris and rust to maintain a strong connection. Standard fit. These connector dust covers feature an industry standard size to fit virtually any vehicle 4-flat wiring plug and socket. Covers for the vehicle side and trailer side of the connection are included. Long-lasting. These 4-way flat dust caps are made from durable molded black rubber, meaning they will never rust or corrode, in spite of frequent exposure to rain, snow, mud and other elements. Easy to install. These 4-pin wiring covers install quickly and easily. Just press them onto the connectors whenever needed. The friction fit eliminates the need for tools or additional components. Always on hand. These 4-flat vehicle trailer wiring dust covers are equipped with an attachment loop to attach to the vehicle and trailer wiring harnesses and always stay on hand whenever needed. Like trailer hitches and ball mounts, electrical connectors range all over the board in shape, size and capability, but no matter what your trailer's electrical functions are, you need a solid connection to keep the power flowing and ensure safety on the road. CURT electrical connectors are designed and manufactured to give you a reliable connection every time you plug in your trailer. Protect your vehicle to trailer wiring connection with CURT electrical plug and socket covers. This set of 4-way flat dust covers features durable black rubber construction to easily resist the elements and maintain good connectivity. The covers come with convenient attachment tabs to avoid loss, and the kit includes both a vehicle side socket cover and trailer side plug cover. Top reviews from the United States. Buy more than one. Great product. The attachment that fixes to the wire would have fit mine, but I made a repair so it was extra thick, so keep that in mind. I recommend buying a couple of these, they're cheap and they protect the wire ends. Maybe get some dielectric grease to add to your level of protection.